All right, we dive into the segment with some breaking inputs coming in on the Goa Inferno. CNN News 18 has accessed the first picture of Surinder Kumar Khosla, who fled to the UK following the tragic fire in Goa nightclub Birch by Romeo Lane. Meanwhile, Goa police has also initiated a process to issue a blue corner Interpol notice against the British national. This is the latest image that we've been able to access of Surinder Kumar Khosla. Remember, he is extremely pivotal to the ongoing investigation because Khosla is the owner of Birch. Simran Babbar brings us those breaking inputs. Simran, if you can take us through what are you learning in terms of how far is the process already begun as far as issuing that blue corner notice against Surinder Khosla is concerned?
Well, Akansha very rightly said, as our viewers can see the pictures right on their screens. These are the first images that have been exclusively accessed by CNN News 18 of the British national Surinder Kumar Khosla. And as per the information that we are gathering, by the Goa police and by the confirmed sources who are, in fact, into this process of digging more information about the security that was already maintained by Surinder Kumar Khosla, as he was also tipped off rightly just when the Luthra brothers were. He also fled rightly after the incident, and that is why it is even more contentious right now, because he has been absconding. As the blue corner notice has been issued, it is very important for the Goa police to have a hold of him. Like Luthra brothers, now in custody, are in fact revealing the information about many such also angles on which the information is going to be crucial and play a very important part into digging and recovering more material about the irregularities. So Surinder Kumar Khosla, let me also remind the viewers, has been the person who has given the land on lease to the Luthra brothers, who have come from Delhi and started investing in Goa. They already held many properties in Delhi of the Birch by Romeo Lane. Then they planned to open an outlet which was already on a very contentious land. And that land, which was authentically disputed, became even more problematic when they continued to flout the norms and started constructing their private establishments. Including the restaurant, flouting the fire safety norms, which then resulted into the killing of 25 people on that very property. And Surinder Kumar Khosla, being aware of all of that nexus and absent during all of the replies that were issued by the Goa police and also the Panchayat, he then decided to flee. And now the blue corner notice that has come into force, has been issued by the Goa police, is going to help the security agencies linked into the entire process to locate his whereabouts, which is also now going to be likely a huge trouble for Luthra brothers, as far what we have understood, that in the investigation there are many angles on which the Luthra brothers need to come on record with the statements that could possibly uncover more by Surinder Kumar Khosla, who's continued to be
we've seen how there was a speedy deportation that took place as far as the Luthra brothers are concerned, who in fact flee to Thailand. Could there be possible challenges over here now that Surinder Khosla has in fact scooted to the UK?
Yes, absolutely. There are multiple angles on which the police and the security agencies together are looking forward to also find out where exactly and why exactly, more importantly, Surinder Kumar Khosla would be. There is a possible also link that Surinder Kumar Khosla would have only given this information or suggested them, the Luthra brothers, to flee to Thailand. Well, that is the front where the Goa police also needs to get on record and get the custody in the same manner as that of Luthra brothers that they have for Surinder Kumar Khosla. As we have accessed these images now, in fact, it goes on to the record that the hunt for getting Surinder Kumar Khosla into the custody of the Goa police has begun in a loud manner. Now, the Goa police is not going to leave any stone unturned because this is the last mile of their investigation. As they go big in that investigation, and there's immense pressure, as we have been also reporting about, to find the culprits who have been on paper involved into all of these irregularities being possible. And also, it is important to go through that route where the entire money was flowing up, and that money only resulted also, Akansha, let me reinforce the fact that through the money channel that was already being run, who was funding it also needs to be uncovered. Back to you.
Perhaps the investigation could, in fact, only move forward after Surendra Kumar Khosla is deported. How soon is that able to happen is also going to be the other big challenge. Many thanks to you, Simran, for bringing us those breaking inputs.